This was a while back, but in one of the videos we mentioned that we're doing more stuff on this Miata, and we're gonna start that today by doing a compression test. And if we can figure it out, we'll also do one for my car and the White Z as well. So we're gonna do a compression test to see how it is. And if the compression's bad, I just said we're not gonna get into any like engine stuff that we're gonna rebuild. So we are now at operating temperature, and Captain said we can start. We gotta take off the spark plugs. I mean the.
Yeah, we gotta take the spark plugs off, but I also gotta remove the fuel pump relay. Why is this like?
It must be nice to have your spark plugs right here. I want to give a major shout out to Car Passion Channel for helping us do this. He has everything on Miatas. If you don't know him, you should check it out. If you have a Miata, at least. He has literally everything about a Miata. He has I think he has a turbo Miata himself, a red one. So shout out to him. Thank you. If you're a regular viewer of this channel, you know that nothing goes right. Relay does not come off.
These things are just really tight in there.
Alright, we took the relay off. It just takes some little bit of manpower. Take out the fuse for the fuel injectors and then also the relay. And then now we can take off the spark plugs. How lucky are you to have everything right here?
And line 4, baby.
And line 4 right here. Mine would be like down here.
Oh, mine maybe.
One of the biggest hassles for me is getting in this car. You know how hard it is if you're a freaking giant like me? I'm not even that tall. Actually, I'm tall, but like, okay, spark plugs are out. Spark plugs are out, and the compression test begins now.
Yeah, I took also the cam angle sensor out.
That'll make sure we have no fuel and no spark.
Thank you, Greg. Oh, we know what we're doing.
I know exactly what I'm doing. I don't need Greg.
I don't need Greg. You heard that, Car Passion Channel? That's a video Ali filmed before. We're not watching the Car Passion Channel. We don't need your help, Greg. Thank you, but we don't need it because we know exactly what we're doing. No, we don't. No, we don't.
Full throttle.
Yep.
Go.
That was 7.
That was 7.
Yeah.
Go.
That was the dry compression test. We'll now be doing the wet compression test with oil.
So essentially, the compression should be higher.
Fine.
Cylinder test number 4. Go.
We are now going inside to check the results and see if the car is good compression, high compression, low compression, and we will see.
Okay, so what is that?
Alright, so the numbers don't look bad at all. I posted it on Facebook to see what people would, say about it. They look fine, so that's good news. We can do things to the Miata now. Start with the we can start taking the head off, but that's for another video because we have to clean his garage out so we have some space to work with. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Peace out. Yo.
Yep.
Look.